What's up, everybody? How's it going? My name is Tyson, and today we're going to be diving into the world of domains inside of ClickFunnels 2.0, specifically how to set up a domain inside of a funnel and your site, and just make sure that branding is correct and on par for whatever you're trying to do. So in this case, let's go ahead and dive in. I'll meet you inside of the platform. Okay, we're inside of ClickFunnels dashboard here, and we're going to head to funnels first and then work our way back to sites. And again, I'm going to show you both of them as far as how to set them up and where to go. But in this case, again, we're starting off on funnels. So go over here on the left-hand navigation, select funnels, and from there, we're going to go ahead and click on whatever funnel you want to actually add your custom domain to, right? So in this case, I'm going to use this one as an example, and I'm just going to click on it directly. Once it loads, we'll be able to see the option we're looking for. In this case, it's going to be the settings button over here on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on it directly. From there, there's going to be a little drop down here for domains. Select that real quick, and then you can select the domain that you'd like to use in this case. Now, I'm going to use this one as an example, example.connectionartist.com, just for the sake of the video. It seems to match up perfectly. So from there, just go ahead and click on Update Funnel, and after that, you're good to go. Boom, just like that. All right, you have a custom domain in use. All of your pages or steps have been updated with this correct domain now. So if we preview any of them, you'll see that they will use this domain right here. There we go. Click on that just as an example. Show you what I'm talking about. There we go. Domain is in use, and we are live. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead and back out of here, and we'll head to our site. For the site itself, just click on Overview right here in the secondary navigation, or you can click on Site over here on the left side, or the regular left-hand navigation. Either way, I'm going to click on Overview. From there, click on the gear icon on the right-hand side of the screen, or you can also click on the three dots here and click on Site Settings. Either way, it'll bring us to the correct location. And on the screen, you'll see the option to choose a domain as well. Again, same scenario here. All you have to do is click your domain that you want to use from the drop-down here. And I'm going to use the example, go ahead and update the site, and after that you are good to go. It is live. So we go ahead and preview the page. It will be using that specific domain. There we go. The page is not ready yet, so don't hose me on the design, but other than that, everything is functioning as we want to here regarding the domain. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to let me know. One thing that I also want to touch on is that whatever domain you have attached to your site here, whatever you put inside of your site settings, will also apply to all of your pages, not your funnels, your pages. So if we go over here to pages, we'll see that every standalone page, every theme page, every site pages, all these will by default inherit the same domain that you have added to your site settings. Okay, you can see that they're all flashing right here just because I just changed it. But that's it. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know. Put it in the comments below. I'm more than happy to help answer anything or clarify. But for now, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.